Most people will only need a locksmith a few times in their life, most likely for their home, car, business, or safe. So when you search online for a nearby locksmith, please be careful. Before you know it, someone will promise you cheap and fast service. But once on your site, your bill quickly doubles or triples. This is not normal, and in this high-stress situation, you'll agree to their terms and overpay for inferior service. Sadly, these scams happen every day, and they are extremely effective. Fortunately, 1-800-UNLOCKS is here to stop the scam and help you find a real and local professional that has been verified by our in-house locksmith to ensure quality and price. Call 800-865-6257 today or visit 1-800-UNLOCKS.com for a safer way to shop for locksmiths.